Hey everybody. Oh. Well, I worked an overtime shift last night. And it wasn't that busy or anything, but my point is, very tired when I got home this morning. And I slept all day. It is now almost 4 o'clock. I'm heading to the gym because that's what I do. I'm not happy. Here I go. My biceps tendonitis on the left arm is still there. And it's still there good. You feel the pain for those things in your shoulder and even going up the neck a little bit. So I'll have some rehab to start my session today. And then I'll not work that arm too hard. But who knows what fun he'll have dreamed up today. My trainer Derek. I got some new lock picks in the mail today. I'm looking forward to trying those out. I may take my gear to work tonight in the not busy time and lunch. I'll try that out a little bit. Let you know how I make out with those. There's some cross picks, jigglers, and padlock picks. I know what you're thinking. Everything's a padlock pick, and you're right. But these are specifically designed to just insert into the padlock, turn like a key, and open. So I've got 20 double-sided padlock picks. Let's see if those work. We'll see if they work. And the jiggler keys are pretty similar. Just use them on pretty much everything. Jiggle away and hope for the best. How's your day going? What you been doing? Hope it's better than mine. Because of my injury and my tiredness, I'm not having a very fun, happy day so far. But, you know, I'm in relatively decent health for my age at 54. And people have to sort of take what they can get. And that's what I'm doing. So I'm a lot better off than a lot of 54-year-olds that I know. Don't exercise. You know, I got the AC was on today in my room as I slept because it's still pretty warm out here. It's not for you people down in the southern states, but for up here she's warm enough. 80, 82, 26 Celsius. Town's not all that busy today. Of course, it is only Monday. Just a business crowd going, and it's later in the afternoon, so. Sunday or Saturday evening from 6 till 9 I went to my mother-in-law's birthday party. That went like all mother-in-law's birthday parties. wreck it. And Jen's birthday was Friday, so my whole weekend was, as far as the waterfront goes, was shot. But I feel bad because Jen wanted to go to the beach on her birthday there, and it rained all Friday, so we made the most of it though. We had a decent day, got her some nice things, and we went to, we went out to supper and all that, so at least she was happy. That's all I care about. She's got a rough day today herself. She's at work right now, and she's got to go to the gym after work, and that's after she goes to Kiwanis. But she's a Kiwanian, and she's got she volunteers on the radio. They do Kiwanis Bingo, so she does that one Monday night a month, and so it's her Monday. So she's got to go in and do her Kiwanis stuff, and I got to go back to work all night, the next 2 nights. What can you do? Nothing. I use my new Stihl trimmer, my FS 56 or 65. Anyway, so one with the handlebars grip. Talk about a nice machine. Jimmy Like. Had a great time. Got my yard mowed and trimmed up. Not going to need too many more this year. It's already the end of August, so no, it's not completely the end. I think it's 20th or something, 21st today. Close enough. So my hope is I'm off this weekend, of course. I think it's my last of my holidays that I took. And what happens there is, of course, it'll rain. So that'll screw me up. Won't have been to the waterfront for 3 weeks. I can't handle that. I gotta get there. So I think rain or shine, I'll probably go. I need to sit on the deck and look out at that water. Doesn't matter what happens. Gotta be done. Coming up with that on the gym, I've got that impending feeling of doom. But I'll do what I can. Just hope he hasn't got a holy crap session today. I feel like hurting myself. But anyway, do what I gotta do. I want to go down to Troy's Country Market. If you go straight from here about another 5-6 kilometers, you'll see Troy's Country Market. It's one of those markets where you get all your fresh fruit and farm vegetables and stuff, and get myself some corn on the cob. Get that done. Need one of those. And we go. Breakfast off. Not too busy right at the moment, but he'll be back. He's always back. He's in his little shop in there, I see. Doing something. Alright, down below is my email. Use that. Or you can comment. You can like and you can subscribe too. The main thing is give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. What that does is lets the algorithm or something like that get me more views so I can help more people, connect with more people. I'm not going to make money off this. It's not the point. The point is just to keep myself accountable and keep other people accountable. So if you wouldn't mind, thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, that's fine. If not, that's fine. And if you have got a Likewise channel, let me know in the description or give me an email, which is, like I say, in the description box below. And I'll subscribe to your channel if you subscribe to mine. If they're, Likewise type of channels, I'd love to. Lock picking, self-improvement, exercise, outdoor camping, stuff like that. As opposed to indoor camping. This is Big Jimmy. Thanks for coming along today. We'll talk to you tomorrow.